Wife number 2 is over here trying to clean out this flat tire. I said, you want to let them swim in it today? She's just like looking at me. And babe, what'd you ask me earlier? Where did you want to put the flat tire?
In the trash.
In the what?
In the trash.
In the trash?
Yeah.
Folks, it's just a pain in the ass to clean out. I mean, you got to dump the thing out. I mean, it's got to drain, but then you got to dump it out. But what's a true pain in the ass too is like under here. Okay, you see under there, right there? That's like where, I guess where the, I don't know, so the way it's built, where the bubbles come out, whatever. But you got to clean underneath these seals. It gets like algae and mold and bacteria in there. That's a pain in the ass. So, like I said in yesterday's video or whatever, this is how all portable jacuzzis are going to end up. Just nothing but a flat tire, and you're thinking about putting it out by the trash so you don't have to clean the damn thing anymore. You want to let them swim in it or no? No?
This is not one thing.
I can blow it up and let them swim in it.
No, then few minutes you don't like it. Ooh. No, I put it in my brush.
I can't put it in the trash, baby. Somebody can take this thing and repair it.
Oh, they repair that.
Maybe we could do a giveaway. What do you think? We could do a giveaway on the channel. You know, dude, like I've never done one of those giveaways. There's like rules and stuff. I got to figure out what you can and can't do. But basically, we could do a giveaway where whoever leaves the most creative comment gets this free portable jacuzzi with the death trap pump. What do you think? Huh? No. We're not gonna put it in the trash. That's not entertaining. I'll tell you what we do. We take this thing, blow it up so it'll stay inflated for a few minutes. And we put the pump in the middle of it, right? And we'll take this thing down to Walking Street and just set it out in the middle of Walking Street and just drive away and see what happens. Or we'll take it over there by the bridge, give it to the homeless folks and see what happens. What you think? Baby, I'm not putting the thing in the trash. This is too much money here. Honey.
You buy that, you think first you have a kid that they can pack that.
But they not what?
Before you buy that, you need to think.
Think what?
You have a kid, so they can pack that.
Baby, I wasn't thinking about the kids. I was thinking about getting some tenderonis in here. I was thinking about getting you and Anita and a couple more chicks up in this thing. No, baby, no. I'm not putting this in the trash. Honey, listen, wait, I got it. No. Baby, serious now, come on. Look, you see this thing is blue. I can hang this up on the wall and I can make a blue screen for my videos, you know? You have to have a blue screen.
I'm too much.
Honey, you're disrespecting the portable jacuzzi here. Also known as the flat tire. Baby, listen, okay. I'm not opposed to getting rid of it, but it has to be something creative. We can't just put it in the trash, okay? It's got to be something creative. Maybe we take it up in Kuya Warner's airplane and we drop it from the airplane.
That's so heavy.
Or maybe just the pump.
Oh, then somebody knocked it in the head.
No, we like do it over the volcano or something, you know?
You don't know if they have people in there.
Or we'll put you on the ground and you try to catch it.
You try.
I'm just brainstorming here, baby. I'm just trying to come up with something creative. This dude's got a spoon and a piece of pork chop. Oh, son. See, Forrest, you don't want to get rid of the flat tire, baby. But I think this dude is the culprit. There you go, Forrest G. That's comfortable, huh? See, look at there. Forrest G doesn't want to get rid of the flat tire, baby.
Does he like that?
Now, yesterday's video, we have to preview it right quick, about you trying to give the rabbits the brownies. But listen, baby, this is a very serious subject. I researched it, and it says if you give rabbits chocolate, it's very toxic to them. So if you gave those rabbits those brownies, oh my God, we'd have had to barbecue those rabbits because they've been laid out up in there.
No.
See, look, he's already fixed it. Forrest G, your mama's trying to throw out the hot tub, son. Baby, I told you, you can't just put the flat tire out in the trash. It's not entertaining enough. We'll think of something special for it, okay?
Hello, okay?
emergency with a disruptive passenger. We'd like to go back to San Juan and land.
Delta 539, copy that, and you can, you please direct someone the flight heading 260 for now, and maintain 8,000.
Okay, maintain 8, that's 260 on the heading, and we'll need law enforcement, obviously.
Delta 539, roger.